Hello, everyone. I am your admin, Claire Perkins. So I am creating this video just to kind of quickly go over some commonly asked questions that I have. So I'm going to discuss number one, why I created this group. Number two, some reliable resources that are on this group. And then number three, I'm going to talk about my private tutoring and my group classes. So, first of all, I created this group because I was a middle school English teacher, and I moved to Louisiana, and I had to take the praxis test. So, I am a certified teacher. I have passed the praxis test, but I just remember I was teaching, I was tutoring, and all of a sudden I had to take these tests, and it was um, a lot of pressure. It kind of ended up like taking over my life, and then of course. I just remember thinking like, I just want to get this over with. So at that time, it was really just I had the ETS praxis test that I could take, and I wish I had a group where I could kind of vent to people, get some free resources, and find some reliable resources. So let's talk about reliable resources. Um, just be careful every day. I check to see if there are people that are scamming the group, and I block people that say that they are tutors or say that they have free information. Never, if ever anyone gives you a WhatsApp number, please, that's not reliable. It is a scam. So don't do that. There are a lot of resources that I want to talk about really quickly. So let's see. Let's just quickly look at the Facebook group. Always check out these files. There are, I always go through and kind of just make sure all of this is um, reliable. I can't promise you that everything, I'm not fact checking everything, but this does have good information. And two things that I want to point out that I really like are these Utah PowerPoints, excellent for social studies. And there's these blue notes. It says they're fact checked. I hope they are. I skim through everything, and they're, of course, if it's like aligns with the material on the test, I say okay. So everyone says the blue notes are great. And I did look them over, and they are excellent. So that is one thing that you want to check out. Okay, some tutors that I recommend. If you put like at Tim Craig, he is a great math tutor. Another great math tutor and resource, of course, everyone says MME. So if you're like, what is MME? This is going to be mgmtutoring.com. Lynn Gardner created this test. When I do my group classes, we work through Math Made Easy together. So love this resource. It's wonderful. And then of course I do like elementary education. I do Praxis Core, so reading, writing, math. I do that. Um, let's see, PLT, so any of 5622, 5621, teaching reading. But if you're taking a test, let me know and I'll let you know if I am qualified to teach it. If not, I'll give you some resources. Okay, there's a lot of great, reliable resources on the Facebook group. So, and I do want to thank everyone for just being so kind, providing resources. Um, and then I want to talk about my tutoring, some questions I get a lot. I have group classes, so it's usually for the 5001. I'm also doing the 5025. If you can get a group together, if you're like, we want to study for this test, and if you can find four or more people, then it'll only be $10. So group classes are $10. And then if you want to do a private session, that's going to be $40 for 40 minutes. But I wanted to create private sessions that were face to face because I remember when I was taking the praxis, I just really wish I could have had someone to talk to about it and then go through the material with me and just, be there for me, give me confidence. And that's what I want to do for you. Because don't feel bad if you're taking it multiple times. I get students every day who say, I've taken this X amount of times, and then they pass. So don't give up, keep studying, you can do this. So during our sessions, I want to make sure it's 40 minutes, but I want to make sure we go over whatever you need to go over to feel confident in your test. And I also want to ensure that at the end of the 40 minutes, you say, okay, yes, I feel more confident. We studied what I needed to study. You're still going to have to study on your own, but I definitely want to help you get a good chunk of information studied. The other reason it's great to sign up for my private or group classes is because, as I know a lot of you are teachers, your moms, your students, you're busy. So when you carve out time and you say, okay, I'm going to spend these 30 minutes studying, or these 40 minutes, or sometimes we can do hour sessions. Usually the group classes and private sessions are 40 minutes. Then you're setting that time aside for studying in your busy life, and you can actually, right after the session, you can say, okay, yes, I feel good about it, and it'll help out. So let me know if you have any questions about resources, about group rules, about tutoring. If there's someone that's saying that they can tutor you, just let me know, and I can check it, and make sure that they are someone that you can trust. Other than that, Math Made Easy, the files are right here. Thank you so much for just making this group so wonderful and contributing. And if you need any help at all, I am 100% here for you. This is pretty much my full-time job now, tutoring and checking this group every day to make sure that it's here for you. So take care, and any questions at all, I'm here for you. All right, goodbye.